Step 10.4, working with parametric automated section and detail markers. Activate the S01 section layout from the Sections and Elevations container of the Navigator project layout. The detail markers on the section layout have been automatically named, matching the actual position and titles of the corresponding layouts. Zoom into the lintel detail marker on the right side of the section above the sliding door. The detail marker says D3, B2, lintel, DS6, meaning that the corresponding D3 lintel detail drawing is on the B2 grid cell of the DS6 layout. As you will see shortly, all this detail marker information has also been automatically generated and updated. Click the Gallery Details layout in the Details folder of the Navigator layout book. Here's a list of the detail drawings located on this layout. One of them is our lintel detail drawing. Press the New Layout button to create a new layout container in the current layout book. Enter the name New Detail Layout and make sure that the A2 Landscape Grid layout is selected as the master layout. Hitting the Create button immediately adds the new layout to the Details folder. Drag and drop the B2 lintel detail from the Gallery Details layout from the Navigator onto the new detail layout sheet. As you can see in the Navigator, the lintel detail is now located in the B2 grid cell of the newly created detail layout sheet. Switch back to the S-01 section layout and zoom in again on the lintel detail marker. Now the information in the lintel detail marker has been automatically updated and reflects the new position of the corresponding lintel detail. As soon as you select the lintel detail drawing in the Navigator and drag and drop it back to its original Gallery Details layout, the detail marker on the section layout will again be automatically updated to reflect the new lintel location. Now, zoom into the D2 floor detail marker on the left side of the S1 section drawing. This detail marker says Undefined, which simply means that the corresponding detail drawing has not been placed on any layout yet. To add this detail drawing to the layout book, first open the organizer with the help of the Project Chooser button of the Navigator. Make sure that the view map is visible on the left. Then select and drag and drop the D-02 floor project view from the Details folder onto the new detail layout sheet that we just created on the right-hand side. Close the organizer and open the new detail layout sheet from the Navigator layout book. Shift-click the newly added floor detail drawing to select it and open the Drawing Selection Settings dialog to adjust its content. On the Identification tab page, change the drawing ID to By Layout. On Properties, make sure that the size is set to 100%. On the Frame tab page, make sure that the frame's behavior is set to Fit Frame to Drawing. Finally, hit OK to leave the dialog. Select the floor detail drawing and drag it to the A1 grid cell on the right of the sheet. Now, again activate the S01 section in the Navigator layout book and zoom into the D2 floor detail marker. The detail marker now reflects the exact layout sheet name and drawing grid cell position where the corresponding floor detail is placed. Activate the ground floor plan layout sheet from the Navigator layout book and zoom into the section and elevation markers on this sheet. Here it's clear that all the section and elevation markers on the floor plan drawing have been automatically named to reflect the actual layout and drawing numbers of the corresponding section and elevation drawings. The automatic process of updating section elevation and detail markers can save you some serious coordination time and effort, and means you can wrap up an up-to-date layout book ready to be published at any time.